Hey friends, this is a review of the Bahco Laplander. This is a great little folding saw, very comfortable in the hand. It's got a nice rubberized grip here on the handle. You can press a button, you can adjust the tension on the pivot of the saw or also replace the blade. But you basically can press, if you don't hit stuff, you can flip it open. This is a traditional front and backstroke folding saw. The handle is a good length. You can see my 4.5-inch wide hand. I'm about halfway back. Um, so, but just demonstrate real quick. Let's get it started here. So, makes pretty quick work. Mine is pretty old, so it might be a little dull. I've had this thing for going on 12, 15 years, something like that. So, only thing I don't love about it, my really only complaint, when I go to close it, it does not want to do that. So I have to straighten it out to get it to drop in there. So it doesn't seem to be bent to me either. So I'm not sure what's going on there. Sometimes it'll fall in, but most of the time it gets caught. So that's a very minor thing, especially for the cost of this. I think it's a very affordable solution, and it's a great folding saw for the woods.